Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to edit the bio on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your bio is a great way to showcase your personality and interests. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile on X, Twitter, by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 2. Look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page and click on it to access the editing options. Step 3. Locate the bio section on your profile and click or tap into it to start making changes. Step 4. Update your bio with any new information, interests, or details you'd like to share with your followers. Step 5. Once you're done editing your bio, click or tap on the Save button to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your bio on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your updated bio is now live for others to see. Have fun expressing yourself through your bio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.